Many industrial equipment and machinery manufacturers have chosen MRPeasy as their manufacturing software. You have a total overview of stock, production schedules, what stage the production is at, purchasing requirements, if and when parts arrive, and much more. You can easily manage thousands of parts, different revisions of products, and complex bills of materials with hundreds of parts, whether they are single-level, multi-level, or even parametrical with variations. Also, you can organize your documentation that goes together with each product. You can save the purchasing information for each part, the vendors, pricing tiers, minimal order quantities, lead times, and more. There are many convenient functions. For example, you can check which products a part is used in, replace a discontinued component with another in selected bills of materials, import and export data, and so on. The intelligent estimating, scheduling, and forecasting functions help to make sure that you can provide an accurate quote to your customer, which considers all manufacturing requirements and costs, plus manufacturing and labor costs. Plus, it will even tell you the estimated delivery date. All this with a fraction of the time that it takes when using spreadsheets. While the Purchase Manager has a detailed overview of what must be purchased and when, the Production Manager has a detailed overview of each manufacturing order's part status, if they have been ordered, when they will be arriving, where is it placed in stock, and more. MRPeasy will help to make sure that you have all the parts, components, and even external subcontractor services ordered at the right time, so everything is available when it's required. For each of your workstations, MRPeasy accurately schedules production operations while considering constraints like capacity and correct order of operations. In addition, you can use drag-and-drop rescheduling in the visual production calendars and Gantt charts. Plus, the various options for real-time online reporting allow your workers to see exactly the right amount of information about each operation and product. For enforcing product traceability, you can track stock lots and serial numbers of parts and products, and even record component serial numbers used in a specific product. While on one hand you can easily estimate costs of products up front, MRPeasy automatically adds the actual costs, the materials, manufacturing overhead, and labor costs as parts are ordered and workers report production operations. All in all, MRPeasy helps you manage complex products and processes by integrating the sales, materials, production planning and reporting, procurement, and stock activities into one complete system, which provides great transparency. In addition, there are many other useful functions, like an at-a-glance dashboard of key metrics, support for barcode readers, management of product returns, quality control, and much more, all in one place. The best part is that MRPeasy does not require any installation. You can easily access it from anywhere using your web browser. Streamline your business with MRPeasy. Sign up for a free trial today.